Hello guys, welcome to the channel. We are making adobong sitaw. We have garlic, onion, tomato, pork belly, green beans, cider vinegar, soy sauce, oil, and black pepper. Let's start, guys. Put some oil in the pan. More garlic, frozen garlic. When you start smelling the garlic, let's put the onions. Okay, our onion is translucent. We're gonna add some tomato, guys. The onion is a medium onion, 1 medium onion. This tomato is 2 medium size of vine tomato. Any tomato will do. Yes guys, put some tomato on your adobong sitaw. It's a big difference. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, so wait for the tomato to cook down a little bit, not to cook down. To soften. To release the color. Cover it to cook faster. Let's check our tomatoes. Smells so good, guys. And at this point we're gonna put our protein. I have a pork belly here. You can use chicken, you can use turkey, or actually you can put tofu, but you have to fry the tofu first before you mix it to our tomato and onion. Okay, I'm going to let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. And we'll add our vinegar. Let's check our pork. Okay, cover it back, and I'm still seeing pink. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes. This time we're gonna put our soy sauce. This is a cup of regular soy sauce, and this is 2 cups apple cider vinegar. But I'm gonna put a cup right now. I don't want it too sour. And do not mix it. Cover it back up and wait for it to boil, and we will check our meat and put some black peppers. Let it cook down, and also until the pork belly becomes tender, guys. Okay guys, after boiling in about 10 minutes, so we can adjust the flavor right now. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of black pepper. You can put less, and it's salty enough for me. The vinegar is just about right. It's not too sour, so it's perfect. but I need some color, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add oyster sauce. Okay, oyster sauce is gonna give it a color, and of course we give it additional flavor. That's about 3 tablespoons. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, so we're just gonna let the sauce to pretty much reduce in half. And also the pork, I don't think it's ready right now. I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes until the sauce and the pork pretty much ready. So we're gonna cover it back. Wait for it to reduce. I just check it, guys. The pork is ready. We're still gonna be cooking because we're gonna add our long beans. This is about 2 pounds. Okay. I'm cooking a lot because I'll cook a lot and put the leftover in the fridge, and also adobo is good the next day. Alright, so we're gonna blend all this sauce and the pork to our beans. Wait for the beans to get tender also, and it's ready to eat. Okay, okay. Oh, looks good, isn't it? About 5 minutes for the long beans. I don't want it too soft. Checking our beans. Beans are not ready. Gotta keep stirring it, guys. Keep mixing it. You don't want it to burn at the bottom. That looks delish. Couple more minutes. Cover it back and ready to serve. It's ready, guys. It looks good and it tastes good. Do I have to plate it? Yeah, we have to plate it. Let's plate it. There you go, guys. Our adobong sitaw. I'll try this recipe. It's delish. Leave me a comment, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. This is Miss T Home Cooking. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye and enjoy the adobong sitaw.